Welcome to ASK Tutorials. In this video we are going to learn about the HTML. Our first topic is a HTML introduction. First one is a introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the most widely used language on the web to develop web pages. For developing web pages, HTML is used. HTML was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991, but HTML 2.0 was the first standard HTML specification, which was published in 1995. HTML 4.01 was a major version of HTML and it was published in late 1999. Though HTML 4.01 version is widely used, but currently we are having HTML5 version, which is an extension to the HTML 4.01 version, and this version was published in 2012. What is HTML? HTML stands for the Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to design web pages using a markup language. It is a markup language, not a programming language. A markup language used for the designing the web pages. HTML is the combination of a hypertext and a markup language. Hypertext defines the link between the web pages. For giving a hyperlink, hypertext will be used. A markup language is used to define the text document within a tag which defines the structure of a web pages. A markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define the elements within a document. HTML is a markup language that is used by the browser to manipulate text, images and other content to display it in a required format. Why to learn HTML? HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraph, lists and so forth, to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Now HTML is being widely used to format web pages with the help of different tags available in a HTML language. In short, to format the web pages, we should have to learn the HTML. There are some characteristics of the HTML. First one is easy to understand. It is the easiest way language, you can say, very easy to grasp this language and easy to develop. Second one is flexibility. This language is so much flexible that you can create whatever you want a flexible way to design web pages along with the text. Third one is linkable. You can make linkable text, like a user can connect from one page to another page or a website throughout these characteristics. Fourth one is a limitless feature. You can add videos, GIFs and pictures or a sound, anything you want, that you will make the website more attractive and understandable. And fifth one is a support. You can use this language to display the documents on any platform like a Windows, Linux and a Mac. These are the characteristics of a HTML. Then comes the advantages of learning HTML. Create a website. You can create a website or customize an existing web template if you know HTML well. Then you can create a website. become a web designer. If you want to start a career as a professional web designer, then HTML and CSS designing is a must skill. And third one is understand web. If you want to optimize your website to boost its speed and performance, it is a good to know HTML to yield best results. Fourth one is learn other languages. Once you understand the basic of HTML, then the other related technologies like JavaScript, PHP are become easier to understand. These are the advantages of learning HTML. Then comes the application of HTML, means where the HTML can be used. Web page development. HTML is used to create pages which are rendered over the web. Almost every page of a web is having HTML tags in it to render its details in a browser. Internet navigation. HTML provides tags which are used to navigate from one page to another, and it's heavily used in internet navigation. Responsive UI. HTML pages nowadays works well on all platforms like a mobile, tabs, desktop or laptops, owing to responsive design strategy. Then offline support. HTML pages are once loaded can be made available offline on the machine without any need of internet. Game development. HTML5 has active support for a rich experience and is now useful in a gaming development area as well. These are the applications of HTML. Thank you for watching the video. Let's watch our videos and become a web designer.